Hello, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the final session of the day. We're just going to go back and review what we've done today and look ahead to tomorrow. So, as usual, we started off with the economic calendar, sticking to our plan. Let me just bring the economic calendar up. So, when we met this morning at 6 a.m. in the morning, we checked the economic calendar. Today, Wednesday, the 12th of August, and we're looking for reports of high or medium importance that could affect the main market we're trading, which is the Euro-US dollar. And then looking through, we saw a couple of reports of medium importance, none of high importance, just medium importance at 9:30 from UK, the unemployment reports, and 12 o'clock, the US mortgage applications. These were the main reports of medium importance we're going to be looking out for. And the one out of the Eurozone, the industrial production. But there were reports of medium importance, not of high importance, that was not really significant. So nothing to stop us looking for opportunities in the market to trade. But we know that we'll check the markets or check our trades, roughly around those times those reports were coming out. But it won't stop us placing our trades. So we went to the charts to look for opportunities. Although when we went to the chart to look for opportunities, we're still mindful of the overall sideways trend of the Euro-US dollar. Because the Euro-US dollar has an overall sideways trend picture, so we're still going to proceed with caution and be careful with our trades. So when we met in the morning, the market was initially trending sideways. At the time, the pivot point was within the sideways trend, but the first resistance and the first support were outside the sideways trend. So we had a pending buy order just above the first resistance and a pending sell order just below the first support. And the plan was just to have one attempt at the market. So we're just going to have one attempt at the market in view of the overall sideways trend of the market. So as we can see what happened, the market started to go up, broke the first resistance and took our pending buy order with a 20 pips stop loss and a 60 pips profit limit. So that was our entry point. And when that happened, obviously you then delete the pending sell order and concentrate on the buy order. And the market initially went up halfway towards our target of 60 pips. Then we moved our stop loss to the opening level, which we did when we met at 12 noon. And as we can see, the market then around, let's see, that's about 1 o'clock, yeah. So about 1:20, about 1:20, the market reached the 60 pips profit target. So we banked the 60 pips, and then that's it, end of trading for the day, because we'd achieved the profit target of 60 pips. And as you can see, since then it's gone further up, but again it's come straight back down to that 60 pips level. But again, our plan was just to capture 60 pips, which we did, and then we're done with the market. So we'll fill out the spreadsheet. So we're back up to $520. But again, it's not whether you made money or lost money. That's not the main issue. The issue is whether you stuck to your trading plan. And if you did, then it was a good trading day. So it was a good trading day because I stuck to my trading plan. So again, like I said, it's not whether you made money or lost money, it's whether you stuck to your plan. And again, as you can see, trading can be tricky. It can play tricks on you in terms of psychology of trading. and it's just having the discipline and the mental strength just to persist, stick to your plan, maintain your discipline, apply your money management, accept your losses when they come, and just carry on. Obviously remembering that obviously trading is high risk, but obviously you can limit the risk by following the rules of trading, i.e. the 3 M's. So you can fill out your spreadsheet, and then let's look ahead to tomorrow. So obviously today we can see that the market trended up. Let me get rid of all these lines. We don't need them anymore. First, we'll go to the overall trend. We can see it's still within the sideways trend. So the overall market trend is still sideways. So we shouldn't forget that. It still hasn't broken the overall sideways trend. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. So again, we can see where the market went up. Obviously, we were lucky enough to capture the 60 points when it was trending up. So we know the market has been going up. And then it got to the high point there. And then you can see it's starting to fall back down. Okay. So let's actually make it a bit bigger. So you can see that's the high there. Then it's from the low point there. Then it's gone from the high there. Then it's from the low point there. Then the high there. It's difficult to determine the low here because it's just been trickling down, so to speak, and gone down there from the low, and then the high, and then the low. But basically, it's been downtrending. It's more or less been forming lower lows and lower highs. So it's gradually downtrending now, forming lower lows and lower highs. So it's a clear downtrend for the moment. So it's not going sideways yet. So we'll just leave the market alone for now, and we'll reassess again in the morning. Let's see what's coming up on the economic calendar tomorrow. So tomorrow is Thursday, the 13th of August. So we've got a report of high importance tomorrow at 1:30, the US advanced retail sales. That's about it. So we do have a report of high importance tomorrow, but we'll reassess the market again in the morning and take it from there, decide what to do in the morning. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, do click the hand button on your control panel or send your questions or comments through the question box. Any questions, comments before we call it an evening? No questions. Great. So I wish you all a good evening, sleep well, and we shall resume hostilities in the market again tomorrow morning. So take care. Sweet dreams.